So when you're doing well or things are all right, in order to make them super, one habit to keep, or rather two habits to keep, is look at what makes your production statistically better and look at what makes it worse. Do more of the thing that makes it a little better. Do less of the thing that makes it worse. This is for when things are going all right. Yes, you could sort of universally apply it, but the idea is super is actually little good things put all together, right? So it's good again and again and again, or accumulated, or all together. And let me give you an example. Yesterday, well, not yesterday, day before yesterday, I made pretty good income by coming to a restaurant, and it was fairly well crowded. I looked very sharp in a suit, beautiful suit, creative suit, unorthodox pink, like painted suit, and it was beautiful. And people came and summoned me up and called me for photography. So if that made it better, realize that I'll know now to wear a beautiful and creative suit and go to a crowded area and make myself visible as a photographer. And also, I'll notice that, all right, every time that I went off for lunch or got distracted by some conversation, I need to minimize that because I'm at work. And should you keep juggling it back and forth like that, that's when you get the super opportunities. It calibrates your luck to become super. This sounds odd. It is a very perfect piece of data. You calibrate your luck by doing small good things. And then at one point it just becomes super luck and everything explodes. I got called as well to train 2 primary schools, and I'm about to become like a school level teacher-like being. Young as I am. Drum roll, please.